Welcome. If you want to stay updated on how your pins are performing, enabling push notifications for views and impressions on Pinterest is a smart move. Today, I'll walk you through the quick and easy steps to turn on these notifications so you never miss out on important updates about your content. First, make sure you have the Pinterest app installed and that you're logged into your account. Once you're ready, open the Pinterest app on your device. Next, head over to your profile. You can do this by tapping the profile icon, which is usually found at the bottom right corner of your screen. This will take you straight to your personal Pinterest space, where you can manage your pins and account settings. Now, look for your profile picture at the top of the screen and tap on it. This opens up more options related to your account and preferences. From here, find and tap on the notification option. This is where you can customize how Pinterest keeps you informed about activity on your account. Under the Pins You Publish section, you'll see an option labeled Views and Impressions. Go ahead and tap on this to access the specific notification settings for your published pins. You'll now see a section called How Do You Want to Be Notified? Here, you'll find a toggle switch for push notifications. Simply turn this toggle on. This ensures that Pinterest will send push notifications directly to your device whenever your pins receive new views or impressions. That's it. You've successfully enabled push notifications for views and impressions on Pinterest. With this setting turned on, you'll get real-time updates about how your content is performing, making it easier to track your growth and engagement. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Pinterest tips and social media tutorials. Thanks for watching, and happy pinning.